Hello, I'm Maximilian,
Hi, and I'm Samuel.
and today we will be discussing whether having free time in school is beneficial or even worth it. Hey, could you give some background on what a free period is?
Sure. A free period is a time of the day when students get to play school-appropriate games, catch up on work, prep for tests, and socialize with fellow classmates.
I think free periods are very beneficial because they provide a brief break from your daily school routine, helping you to refocus.
It also empowers students to be more independent and responsible for their own assignments.
That's a valid point. Students can do fun things too during free periods, like puzzles, quiz each other on different subjects, and occasionally prepare for tests so they don't have to worry if they don't know the answer to a problem.
You also get to hang out with friends, and it's a time to set aside some of that school-related stress.
It really allows me to reflect mentally on the test, and it eases my anxiety. I think it also offers us an opportunity to develop our social and interpersonal skills in ways our generation is, let's face it, not used to. We spend lots of time texting in the real world, but not necessarily talking in person.
A free period is what you make at the end of the day. You can do something to prepare yourself, calm yourself, or nothing at all. We all have our own way of dealing with school and the difficulties that come with it.
I always thought having free periods would benefit you because it's a time when everybody can catch up with their uncompleted work or study with your classmates to better understand the lessons.
Free periods are just a fun and cool way to prepare for assignments and meet deadlines for free without worrying about other things to do after you're done.
Free periods are an advantage. However, it doesn't happen too often because it's only when your teacher is absent. You don't always get time to catch up on work, and there is always more homework to be done.
I like to get my work done first because then I can study for other assignments or even do puzzle games on my computer.
I do the same thing. I think free periods are a huge benefit and so much fun for so many reasons.
I guess having free periods is really beneficial, huh?
Yeah, I do think it's great having them in school.
I agree. This was a fun and interesting topic to discuss with you.
I thought it was an interesting topic too.
Well, it was very nice to be on your show.
You're welcome. Anyways, thank you for coming.
Goodbye. I'm Samuel.
And I'm Maximilian. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time.